Hi there. Welcome to Traders for Traders. I'm Brad Gilbert, the founder and CEO. It's great to have you on board. Now, to get your journey started, I just want to run through the various aspects that you have access to: the live trade hub, the live signals, the live sessions, the masterclass courses, the community forum, and last but not least, our exclusive trading community on our Discord channel. Okay, now let's start with the live trade hub. Now, to get started, you need to log in. Just come up to the profile icon, click on that, and you'll be able to log in to our backend system. And when you do have access, you will come straight to the live trade hub. Now, this is a hub of activity. You'll get today's trading action video. You've got the market sentiment to give you a general idea whether we have a risk on or risk off profile. You'll learn more about that in the masterclass courses. And then also it will highlight the next live session, which is either a live coaching or live trading session. Underneath that, you have the currencies in the zone, and then the upcoming high impacting economic data with the full forecast and range of the data. Now, that's the live trade hub. If you come to the live trade signals, you'll find the major pairs that have clear market direction, and we're just waiting for an alert. But this is really going to take the guesswork out of your analysis. Next, we have the live sessions. Now, each week we have a live coaching and a live trading session. Now, it may take a few days during the week to work out which key data release we're going to attack. Now, if you can't make these sessions, don't worry so much. We have a live session archive where you can come back and review any live trading sessions or any live coaching sessions. Next, we have our live economic calendar and the central bank interest rate probabilities. This will allow you to track the live data as it comes out and also assess the impact of the data with the various central bank policies. For example, you can look at ECB. So your 0.25% cut is factored in with 94% probability. Okay, so that allows you to understand before the actual event what the impact may be. But that will become more relevant through the live trading sessions. Now, at the top, you've got the courses. Now, you'll notice the masterclass courses are numbered 1 through to 5. And then there's a couple of introductory courses and then a course on how to use our trade tools. Now, it's very important you go through the courses in chronological order. Each course builds on the content from the previous course. Now, I know a lot of traders like to go straight to the advanced institutional bank trading strategies, but that could be a bit of a mistake because there's key components and information that you need to get from course 3, trading the technicals, and course 4, trading the macro fundamental releases before you get to the advanced institutional bank trading strategies. So for your benefit, please try and go through the courses one step at a time. Now, up the top here, you'll find the community forum section. Now, this may look a little bit old school, and it is. The reason for having the community forum is because in our Discord channel, there's so much content and information, a lot of the questions get lost. So instead of going over and over the same questions, we've got our community forum where you can come in and ask a specific question, and then other traders can learn from your questions and our answers. It's a very good hub, especially if you've got questions about the courses or general trading activity. Last but not least, you've got our trading Discord. Now, there's a huge range of information available here. As a member, you will have full access to all components. Now, you can come through the market chat or go through the various markets. We've got the 10-week challenge, Prime Time Pro, the masterclass course topics, trading services, and the fun stuff at the bottom. This is going to be a massive component helping you along your trading journey. You'll be able to collaborate with experienced traders, share trade ideas, ask questions about various events, and really plan the trading opportunities. So don't be afraid, introduce yourself, get started, and the more you give, the more you'll get back. So that's the live trade hub where you can access all components of our program. Now, you'll find links for each of these components under this video in the quick start guide. There's an invite link for the trading community on the Discord channel, the live trade hub, the masterclass course, and the community forum. Take your time going through the various aspects. And if you do have questions, make sure you reach out to our team, either on the community forum or in the Discord channel itself. Now, make sure you go through all aspects of the quick start guide. I know you're eager to get into the courses, but this will set you up for your trading journey. You've got access to a huge amount of trading resources, trade signals, courses, as well as our trading community. If you have any questions, please reach out to our team or ask another member on the Discord. we really look forward to working with you. Good luck and happy trading.